Hi. Hey guys, now we are standing Sunamukhi Pilot Kindergarten and High School, and in this moment I asked some question my student. What's your name?
My name is Sadiq.
What class do you read in?
I read in class 4.
Where are you come from?
I come from Pasgasi.
What's your name?
My name is Tasin.
What class do you read in?
I read in class 4.
Where are you come from?
I come from Juhavare.
Oh, fine, thanks.
And what is your favorite subject?
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
What is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Sheila Parveen.
Oh, fine, thanks.
And what is your favorite fruit?
What's your favorite fruits?
My favorite food is mango.
Oh,
And
fine.
what about yours? What is your favorite fruit? You know, fruit means fall.
My favorite food is mango.
Mango.
Please
Okay, nice.
tell me the spelling of mango. Mango banan karo tumi.
MANGO.
Mango. Oh, fine.
সুন্দর শাবাশ
Fantastic.
ওর জন্য সবাই একটা হাততালি
সবাই
দাও তো
হাততালি দাও তো।
শাবাশ
Wow.
সুন্দর
Okay, you can go now.
হ্যাঁ